Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to continue with the kinds of nouns part 2, that is abstract noun, material noun and concrete noun. Let's begin with abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of something we can only think of or feel but cannot see or touch. It can name a quality, that is honesty, courage, politeness, kindness. It can name a state of something or someone, that is death, life. It can name a stage, that is childhood, adulthood, youth. It can name an idea, that is beauty, knowledge. And it can name feelings, that is happiness, sadness. Examples: Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Always speak the truth. Childhood is the best time of our life. Formation of abstract noun. Abstract nouns are formed from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. Abstract nouns are formed by adding a suffix to a word. The following table shows the formation of an abstract noun using different suffixes like ness, shun, ism, ship, hood, dome, meant, ends, airy. With some examples, some abstract nouns are words on their own. Example: terror, anger, humor, fear, etc. Some abstract nouns may also be used as verbs. Example: touch, regret, speed, hope, taste, etc. In short, abstract nouns refers to thing that has no physical form and cannot be perceived by five sense organs. It is invisible, intangible, and has no physical body. We move on to the next noun, that is material noun. Material nouns are the names given to some particular kind of matter. A substance from which things are made is a material noun. They are always singular. They are uncountable and measured in quantities. We get this material from mainly three sources. From nature in the form of rock, copper, iron, sand, coal, salt. From plants in the form of fruit, coffee, tea, oil, rubber, wood, jute, perfume. From animals in the form of milk, egg, meat, honey, wool, leather, silk. For example, Taj Mahal is built using marbles. I drink juice of fruit in the morning. Sweaters and shawls are made of wool. We move on to the next noun, that is concrete noun. A noun which can be identified through any five of the senses: sight, taste, touch, hear, smell, is called a concrete noun. It can be common nouns, proper nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, and collective nouns. They can appear in both singular and plural forms. Examples: that house was built with red bricks. We can see stars only in the moonlight. We got soaked due to the heavy rain. To understand concrete nouns in an easy way is that anything which has physical body and by which any five senses can be perceived is a concrete noun. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.